I was just asking, I wonder where our book is. It's about a month out. I wish I could see it. And it was hiding by our front door. First of all, I love the colors. It's so bright. I love all the beautiful colors. Something to know about my second book, it's a little smaller than my first book. We had to do some editing and cutting, as they say, but that's all right. Let's take a peek at it, shall we? Lots of beautiful, colorful things. One of the things I like to share with my recipes and photos is lots of color, lots of freshness, and I think I achieved that. Oh my gosh, oh, I love that recipe. It's an eggplant with lots of flavors on top and vegetable tagine. That's a salmon with pistachios on top. Ooh, this is a fantastic, kind of like a Moroccan fish stew. Oh, that one's yummy. It's like a one-pot kale with salmon and honey harissa. There's clams, shrimp and rice, more shrimp. Ooh, this is a beautiful summery recipe. Oh, I'm running out of time.